Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening. So first we open the computer search and then we search for virus and threat protection. We click on it and then once we access it, we click on manage settings. Now right here we can try turning off real-time protection and then you scroll all the way down and find exclusion, add or remove exclusions. You press on it. Now you click on add exclusion. You choose folder. Now you want to go to your C drive, program files, and then you want to find Rockstar Games. After you find it, just you select it and it will be added to the exclusions and Rockstar will open, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.